Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to connect Wi-Fi on Acer laptops. So friends, before we start this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first what you need to do is that on the down you will be able to see the start button on the taskbar. Okay, just click on the start button. When you move on the start button, from here you will be able to see the setting somewhere. So you have to move here on this setting. Okay, when you move on the setting here, where you have to click is the on the left side, you will be able to see here is the network and internet. So click on the network and internet. When you move on the network and internet, here you have to click on the Wi-Fi, and firstly please turn on the Wi-Fi. Okay, when you turn on the Wi-Fi, here second option you will be able to see the show available networks. So here you have to click on the show available networks, and from here select the networks and click on it. When you click on it, on the here option connect. Okay, click on the connect. When you connect it, here you have to give the password. Okay, so let's give the password. Okay, so I'm giving the password. So I have finished to set the password here. So if you want to type the password you have not complete, then you can type slowly. Okay, by just checking, you can check from here. You just click on this I option, and what password you have been given, then you can check from here. Okay, if you did mistake or not. After that, here you have to click on the next option. So it's verifying and connecting. Okay, so friends, it has been connected securely, and if you want to connect the Wi-Fi you can connect it like that, and if you want to disconnect, is here is the option for the disconnect. Just click on disconnect, it will be disconnected successfully. Okay, and if you want to connect you can connect it like this. Okay friends, so friends, hope you love the video, and if you love the video please like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.